Hey, doll sewing friend. This is Kat. Let's sew a sailor outfit from Nendoroid Doll, Book of Adorable Seasonal Outfits. Grab your materials. Let's make a shirt. Cut out and mark all pieces. You'll have 9 pieces total. Grab your back and front pieces. Right sides together, pin the shoulder seam and sew. Repeat for the other shoulder seam. Iron the seam allowance open. Next, grab your sleeve and sleeve cuff pieces. I made a mistake here. Can you spot it? For the sleeve cuffs, make sure to cut them on the fold. You don't want your sleeve cuffs to look like this. Okay, back to the sleeves. Grab the sleeves and the sleeve cuffs. Pin them right sides together. Don't line up the edges. You want to leave a little edge of the sleeve showing. Now that the cuffs are sewn, it's time for ribbon. Place the ribbon on the sleeve cuff. I like to leave a little extra ribbon on both ends and trim after it's attached. Sew the ribbon to the sleeve. Hand baste the cap of the sleeve. Grab the shirt. Pin the sleeve to the shirt, right sides together. Baste and sew the sleeve to the shirt. Repeat for the other sleeve. Grab the collars and pin them right sides together. Sew around the collar, leaving an opening. Turn the collar right sides out. It's time to add more ribbon. Sew the ribbon around the collar. Attaching the ribbon to the collar was challenging. I recommend using fabric glue to hold it in place while you sew. I didn't do this and I wasn't too happy with the results. With the ribbon sewn, place the collar on the right side of the shirt around the neck opening and sew. Attaching the collar to the shirt was a tricky area for me because the points of the collar were always visible from the front. I resewed the collar many times to prevent the points from showing, but nothing worked and the shirt started to fray. Important note: make sure to seal the edges of your fabric pieces when dealing with fabric that frays. I'm not liking how this shirt is looking. I'm going to redo it. I'll catch up with you shortly. That's better. The frayed edges are gone. Now, where were we? Alright. Collar attached, it's time to sew the side seams. Right sides together, pin and sew the side seams. Add hook and loop tape to the front of the shirt. Top stitch around the front and back of the shirt. Yay! The shirt is complete. Last thing we have to do is tie ribbon around the doll's neck. I rate this project a determined beginner. If you're determined, you can tackle this project. If you prefer a text version of the steps in this video, download the PDF in the description below. I hope you decide to make this project for your doll. If you do, be sure to tag us at the Dolly Insider on Instagram so that we can see your look. You can also email us. See the description below for details. I hope you enjoyed this sailor themed project. Until next time, happy sewing.